Morning, guys. I thought, with my get ready with me video that I posted yesterday, sometimes it is a reality for me, the 50 minutes, a full hour to get ready, but sometimes a reality for me, I don't have time to do all of that. So I'm going to show you a super quick look. So let's get to it. But one thing that I make sure I do prime my face. So sometimes I don't have time to use a primer. So I'll just use my regular skincare. So let's get to it. I'm going to go in with my Dead Sea Minerals from the Dead Sea collection, the Rose.
Residents looking on as police.
So sometimes I just gotta hurry up and be quick. This is just a demo. I have no rush to be anywhere. But this is just a quick demo because, I have 5 children. And they're all adults now, but at one time they were in diapers. So the next I want to make sure, I want to go in with my eye cream. We want to have underneath our peepers and the top of our peepers all beautiful and pretty. I wonder if I can get this at least in 10 minutes. If I can get this in 5 minutes, sometimes I've had to just I have only 2 minutes to be out the door. Especially my husband comes with me in the morning. So we gotta just hurry. So next I want to go in with a sunscreen. This is Olay. I'm not going to explain what the products are too much. I'm just going to show you and go. You don't have to use the same product. Just, whatever you have, but always make sure you do your skincare. Even if you don't have time to splash on some mascara, just do your skincare, and you're never too young. Okay, so that's that. So now what we're gonna go in, and we're gonna try to do our brows real quick. So I'm just going to use my brow powder. I have my mirror down here. We're going to try to just do this quick.
And all that firepower. John, Allison, thank you very much.
If I mess up, I do. But this is reality. So that's one brow. We're going to go in, do the other. This stuff is so great because this is really quick.
It has been slashed by 800 points. So recession fears, and there's this new.
Sometimes I can't always do a super good and detailed job because of being on the go. So I don't want to look like too much shit. So I'm gonna hurry up, go with my spoolie.
Well, we'll find out.
Apparently he has no 401k. No 401k.
So that was my brows. So now I want to do some color. We don't have time to do no foundation, but we got time to get at least a little bit of color on us. And oh my gosh, my brows look like shit, but you know what? I don't have time, so we gotta go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put blush on my face. This is just a Wet n Wild blush. Just smile real quick, and then super pigmented. Oh no, what are we gonna do? We're gonna blend it out.
Well, this is what I'm really concerned about.
This is a reality, so we're gonna blend it out. Where's our face powder? Where's our face powder? We gotta go in. We gotta blend it out. We don't want to look like a clown. So I'm not making fun. This is seriously a reality of me, and sometimes I get fucked up products to use where it's too pigmented, and I don't have time to sit there and play it out. But see, I just go in with a white powder, and it softens it up. Does it soften up? Is that soften up? I don't know. We don't have time. I think that's better. So, and I still want to do a little bit of color in my eyes, so I'm going to go back in with that. Actually, no. Let's find something else. I want to have something else on my eyes. This is how hectic it is for me sometimes. So I'm just going to go in with another blush color because I really need eye color. Oh my God, I have to be out the door. So I'm just going to, no makeup brushes, I'm just going to take it all over my eye with my ring finger. We're going to go in, do that with the other eye. Oh my gosh, I want to do highlighter. Am I going to have time for highlighter? I need my highlighter. Oh no, what's this smudge? Oh, hurry up. Go in with the makeup brush, blend it out real good.
Or that they or compromising their political.
Oh, that's so pigmented. So pigmented. I gotta make time for this. Hear my husband in the background. Are you ready yet? Leave me alone. I should do a skit with him. Okay, so I have to have a little bit of highlighter, honey. Leave me alone. So I'm just going to go in with my hand, go up like this, because I don't have time to sit there and use a makeup brush. Oh no, I'm messing up. This is reality. I want to try to just get some on my eye, get some on my eye, so I have that extra pop of color. Okay.
Yeah, and it wasn't just one, it was 11 yesterday. He was live
tweeting
the fall of the market yesterday, which
I
I
just
think
gotta blend my
cheeks in the financial community. And one of the things that's causing it to drop even more this morning,
it probably looks so pigmented. My cheeks are red anyways. Okay, so we don't have time. So
that he was going to impose on China.
Gonna go in with some mascara.
People woke up and said, not good enough. Not good enough. If you're going to impose any
this
of
is
these
the It Cosmetics mascara.
So an extent,
I don't really have time to play around with my lashes.
The presidential election.
So we just gotta, and we don't have time to fix our boo-boos either. So we just gotta go. And you know, I know that it can be like this with little kids and having to get to school. So we just gotta make it work the best that we can. I actually have 7 kids and a grandbaby.
We've heard that so many times. Now,
because of my husband's 2 children from his first marriage.
I don't like his conduct and I don't like his behavior. But I think we're getting to a point now in the economy.
So my 5 children and then my stepkids. So now we want to have at least something on our lips. So I'm going to go in with my Mascara priming lip lock priming gloss stain.
Who is, as you put it, live tweeting the fall of one.
Just give me a little color.
Dow Jones. I mean, is it going to get worse? Can he be restrained when it comes to sort of tweeting out his comments? Because, my goodness, the market's looking for any kind of reaction, and he's going to be off.
I hear him calling me.
That leads to
I'm just doing a little skit, so.
Concern about the tweets.
So imagine me not taking time and talking to you like that. This would be way quicker. Okay guys, this is my complete finished look. I didn't have time to do anything else, so I'm out the door. I mean, if I'm grabbing the wrong blush to use on my cheeks and I don't have time to blend it out, I'm out the door like that. But sometimes I'll just bring a makeup brush with me to make sure that I try to blend it down as much as I can. And I make sure that I try to bring one of my face powders, you know, and I don't have time to stand there and look around at each individual beauty product. And oh, do I want to use this color today? Do I want, you know, sometimes I just got to grab it and go. And a lot of times I'll reuse the same product. But you guys, I am going to go. So that was my super quick look. If we take out all the talking in it, I think we could get it to like 5 minutes. But so I hope you have a beautiful day. I wanted to do a super fast version of yesterday's video because this is a reality for so many. Nobody has time to sit down. Not too many people are fortunate to have 45 minutes or longer to do their makeup. That's the reality. So, and I wanted to show you this reality. I will see you later. Have a beautiful day.